In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your email search capabilities using Microsoft Outlook by utilizing the Advanced Find tool. As we all know, emails can quickly pile up, making it tricky to find exactly what you need right when you need it. Harnessing the Advanced Find feature can streamline your search process and save time. So let's dive right in. First, let's make sure you're logged into your Microsoft Outlook account. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the official Outlook website, or launch the Outlook application on your device. Once there, ensure you're in your email inbox. This will be your starting point for accessing the Advanced Find tool. Now, once you're comfortably in your inbox, direct your attention to the search bar that you see situated above the list of your emails. This search bar is your gateway to more refined search options. By selecting or clicking on this search bar, you'll trigger what is known as the Search Tools tab. This tab generally appears in the upper part of your screen and gives you additional options to refine your search. Do you see it? Perfect. Click on Search Tools to reveal a drop-down menu filled with further options. In this drop-down, look for the option labeled Advanced Find. This is your destination. Click on Advanced Find, and what you'll witness next is a powerful tool that allows you to specify exactly what you're looking for. This could range from searches based on sender information, keyword specifics, date ranges, and more. Essentially, it's like having a magnifying glass to home in on exactly what you need amidst the chaos of your inbox. You might be wondering why you would want to go through the effort of using Advanced Find when the basic search bar seems adequate. The answer lies in precision and efficiency. Advanced Find allows you to sift through large volumes of emails with fine-tuned criteria, letting you swiftly locate those important communications, whether they are from last week or last year. Now, you know how to access it, and making it a part of your routine can significantly enhance your productivity. And that's it. You're done. That concludes our walkthrough for today. Remember, the key to mastering your inbox lies in smart organization and having the right tools at your disposal. So why not take a moment and try it now? Experience firsthand how this can simplify your life, especially if you're someone who deals with a substantial number of emails daily. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this feature as helpful as I do. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital workspace.